Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Confluence login issues, space and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Confluence URL for your organization and not an outdated bookmark. Check your internet connection and try opening Confluence in an incognito or private browser window. Clear your browser cache and cookies for the Confluence domain. Then restart the browser. Verify that your username or email is typed correctly and that caps lock is off. If you use SSO, confirm you can sign into your identity provider and that your password is not expired. Try logging in from a different browser to rule out a browser extension or profile issue. If you see a message like, "You don't have access," note the exact wording and the space name shown on the page. Ask a colleague to confirm whether the same space is accessible to them to identify if it is user-specific. Open your profile menu and check which account you are currently logged in with if multiple accounts exist. If you recently changed your email, confirm the Confluence account is updated to the same email used in SSO. From the Confluence homepage, search for the space by name to confirm it still exists and is not renamed. If the space appears but you cannot open it, you likely lack space permissions, so contact a space admin for access. Request the space admin to verify you are added to the correct Confluence group or individual permission list. Ask the space admin to check space settings, then permissions, and confirm you have view permission at minimum. If you can view the space but cannot create or edit pages, ask for add and edit permissions as needed. If you get a page restricted or lock icon warning, ask the page owner to remove or update page restrictions. If the error mentions no permission to view, confirm whether the content is in a personal space or a restricted project space. If you are a Confluence admin, open Administration, then Users and Groups, and confirm the user is active. Check the user's group membership and ensure they are in the licensed Confluence Access group. In Atlassian Cloud, open Admin, then Directory, then Users, and verify the product access for Confluence is enabled. If product access is missing, assign the correct Confluence license or role and have the user log in again. If you see you don't have permission to access this site, confirm the site-level access settings and allowed domains. For IP allow listing or security policies, ensure your current network is permitted by your organization settings. If the issue started after a permission change, wait a few minutes and then log out and log back in to refresh access. Try accessing the space using a direct link shared by an admin to confirm whether navigation permissions are the problem. If you manage Confluence Data Center, check the application logs for authentication or permission errors during login attempts. If none of these steps resolve it, collect screenshots, error text, time of occurrence, and your username for support. Submit a ticket to your Confluence or Atlassian administrator with the collected details and request a permissions review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.